Hey, what's up guys? Jason at B5 Beast. It's been a long cold winter. It's time to start modding the Hellcat.
Here we go, baby.
Alright, we're going to call this project Big Hurt. So I'm going to be adding mods and upgrades to build a strong, durable Hellcat that's going to be able to withstand the power that I want to add to it in the future. But before I start adding any power adder mods, I want to get as much out of the stock 707 horsepower as I possibly can before I start doing that, because if I can't put the power to the ground right now, it's not worth adding more power. So this is the start of Project Big Hurt. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mods. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a like, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell below me so you can be notified of upcoming videos as soon as I post them. Alright, here's the first 5 mods of Project Big Hurt. Let's take a look. Alright, mod number 1, we have a BMR Cradle bushing lockout kit. These are designed to fill the voids in the factory bushings and prevent up and down movement. It's going to help reduce wheel hop, deflection, and cradle movement. So let's go ahead and get into the box and see what we got in here. Alright, so here's what the BMR Cradle bushing lockout kit consists of. If you order one for your 2008 to 2020 Dodge Challenger or 2006 to 2020 Dodge Charger, they all take the same kit. Alright, mod number 2, we have a performance development differential brace. So right on top, they got the instructions for us, which is good to have. Everything looks to be packaged pretty safe, all nice and bubble wrapped. So I'll get all this unwrapped and we'll take a look at it. So here's the performance development diff brace and all the hardware. Looks like a pretty heavy duty diff brace. American CNC machined billet aluminum. So here's mod number 3. Let's see what's in here. Look at that bad boy. Let's take this thing out and get a better look at it. So what we have here is a Mopar 309 geared rear differential, which is going to replace my stock 262 geared diff. This thing is going to give me more torque on the launch for a better 0 to 60 foot, which is pretty crucial if you're going to do any 1/8 mile or quarter mile racing. Getting out of the hole is pretty important, and I'm having a lot of issues with that right now. And hopefully this is going to help with that issue. All right, here's mod number 4. This is something I've wanted to do to the Hellcat for a long time now, and I'm extremely excited to get these on the car. They got everything packaged pretty nicely in here. Everything's bubble wrapped. Let's get this stuff out and take a look at it. All right, here's the no weeds exhaust diverter system for the 2015 to 2019 Dodge Challenger Hellcats. And here's what's included. So I'm pretty happy with the stock exhaust sound of my Hellcat, but I'd also like to have it louder when I want it to be louder and not loud and obnoxious all the time. So this is going to be perfect for what I want. I think these are going to sound great. I'll have a switch inside the car so I can open them and shut them whenever I want. Last but not least, mod number 5. We have some B-Woody rear end links, which are shorter than the stock end links. Because I have something on the way, and I'm going to need these for some clearance issues. All right, everything's loaded up. Time to head to the performance shop.